Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to get mobile number data from Google Maps. So, let's dive right in. To extract the data, we need to use an extension, MailCI. So, download the MailZ extension from the official website. You can visit the official website at mailz.du. Once the file is downloaded on your computer, right-click on it. Then, choose Extract All. Unzip the downloaded file. Open Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Hover over to Extensions and then click on Manage Extension. Enable Developer Mode by toggling the switch in the top right corner. Click Load Unpacked and select the folder where you unzipped the MailZ files. You should see the MailZ icon appear in your Chrome toolbar. You may need to create an account with MailZ to use all its features. Now, once the extension is installed, let's explore how you can extract emails from Google Maps. Open your web browser and click on the MailZ extension icon. Click on the Google Maps option within the MailZ extension. Then, toggle the button next to Google Maps Scraper to turn it on. In your web browser, visit maps.google.com. Navigate to your desired location and enter your target niche, e.g., restaurants, in the search bar. The search results will populate in the left sidebar. Ensure you're logged in to MailZ and have the Google Maps Scraper enabled. You will see an Extract All Search Pages button. Click on this button. Visit all the search results. The MailZ extension will collect data from each result. Once finished, click on the MailZ extension icon in the top menu bar. Select MailZ extension and then click the Download button. An Excel file containing the extracted data will be downloaded to your computer. Open the downloaded Excel file. You will find the extracted data, including mobile numbers, in the Phone Numbers column, assuming restaurants have mobile numbers listed. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.